Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English with MJ, where learning English is simple, practical, and fun. Today's lesson is about nouns. By the end of this lesson, you will know what a noun is, recognize nouns in sentences, and use them correctly in everyday English. Let's get started. What is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. What is a noun? It is a word for a person, place, animal, or thing. A person is a human being. Girl is a noun. John is a noun. Doctor is a noun. Teacher, father, mother, fireman, student, mark are all nouns. A place is where someone or something is. Park is a noun. London is a noun. School is also a noun. Market, hospital, airport, Nigeria. Animals are noun. Dog is a noun. Lion is a noun. Bird is a noun. Cat, goat, fish, cow is an object that you can see, touch, or use. Book is a thing and also a noun. Car is a noun. Phone, chair, table, pencil, bag. Let's see nouns in sentences. Mary is reading a book. The dog is sleeping. We are going to school. Mary, book, dog, school, teacher, phone are all nouns. A person, a place, an animal, a thing. Easiest way to remember: person plus place plus animal plus thing equals noun. Can you identify the nouns? The cat is under the table. Cat and table. John lives in London. John and London. Challenge. In the comment section, name one person, one place, one animal, one thing. Think of a noun as the name we give someone or something. The more noun you learn, the better your English vocabulary becomes. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss another English lesson. This is Easy English with MJ, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye.